Hi there, my name is Dan, and this is my whiteboard.
And I'm Susie. I'm here too. Thanks for letting me come.
Yeah, no problem.
This is the Caterpillar Change Tool. Thanks for joining us.
Now, if you know anything about a caterpillar, they're very self-focused, but the self-focus needs to move up to a new mindset. So we're going to go up to a new mindset.
But instead of doing stairs, why don't you do like a curly Q spring and put some eyes at the top, like a caterpillar?
Perfect. Now, at the bottom, this is where we are going to start.
So the first question to help us is, what is my self-focused mindset?
Now, that can be anything. That can be, I feel I'm better than someone, or I'm afraid, or I'm alone.
And the second, how does that make me feel? Could it be joy, trust, fear, surprise, sadness, disgust, anger, anticipation?
Number 3, where do I feel it in my body? Do I feel it in my gut? Do I feel it in my back? Maybe my neck? Where's the tension coming in?
Question 4, if it could talk, what would it say? Like, oh no! What would it say?
Number 5, what might this be teaching me? We can learn from mindsets that we need to move past. Listen to them.
Question number 6, what do I need right now to move forward? Identify that.
Going to number 7, what tiny step can I take to meet my need? Not big steps, just tiny steps to move forward.
And number 8, what is my new mindset that I'm going towards? I really love this. This is a Caterpillar Change Tool.
I love this quote. To change your life, you must change your mindset. That is so good.
So this has been the Caterpillar Change Tool, moving from the self-focused mindset to the new mindset.
So remember, there are some dangers that you need to avoid. This is a tool that will help you avoid those dangers.